हम आज आपको इस साल की शुरुआत में ले जाएंगे, एक ऐसे जोड़े से मिलाएंगे जिन्होंने अपने जीवन का अगला पड़ाव 2020 की पहली तारीख से किया। जी हाँ, आज तेरी मेरी कहानी की इस एपिसोड में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं ऑलराउंडर क्रिकेटर हार्दिक पांड्या और साइबेरियन सुंदरी नताशा स्टैंकोविक की प्रेम कहानी के बारे में। हार्दिक पांड्या हमेशा से ही किसी न किसी अच्छे या बुरे कारणों की वजह से सुर्खियों में बने रहते हैं। Continuing his tradition of springing in surprises, he once again left everyone stunned after announcing the pregnancy of his wife Natasha on social media. The news drew congratulatory wishes for the couple from every corner of the country. But as Hardik and Natasha get ready to start a new chapter in their lives, little is known about their love story. While the couple has tried hard to keep things under wraps, here's a look at how Natasha transitioned from being Hardik's best friend to eventually becoming his wife and soon to be mother of his child. A rising cricketer in the Indian cricket team, Hardik was undeniably the most eligible bachelor around and linked with a few women including Ali Avram and Amaira Dastoor back in the day. But no one had a whiff of his romance with Natasha, who first grabbed the limelight for her cameo in the music video of Badshah's hit number DJ Wale Babu. Her popularity allowed her to grab a place in Bigg Boss, a popular TV reality show, as a contestant in its season 8. Soon, the Siberian actor was seen sharing screen space with iconic stars in the movie like Action Jackson, Zero, and Friday. It was during her rise to stardom when she crossed paths with another rising star, Hardik. The two reportedly met at a popular nightclub in Mumbai, and as per media reports, it was a love at first sight. At a time when his cricket career was taking off better than most expected, Hardik found himself in a situation where he was on the verge of losing it all. The Indian all-rounder couldn't have started the year 2019 in a worse way than he did by drawing the ire of billions for his controversial comment on a popular chat show. After a lot of criticism and unconditional apology and a few match bans, Hardik's life returned to normalcy, but it was undeniably one of the toughest times in the Indian cricketer's life. At a time when he was at the lowest of ebbs, Natasha stood by Hardik as his pillar of support. While the couple had not made their relationship public yet, the Serbian actor took to Instagram to wish Hardik on his birthday in a heartfelt post. To my best friend, the strongest and the most beautiful soul, this year have been a rollercoaster ride for you. Many great things happen and some were not that great, but definitely have made you stronger. You have been such an inspiration for all of us, and I couldn't be more proud of you for everything you have done for yourself and people around you, for everything you have gone through and still decided to stand tall and get out of it like a winner. Keep shining, smiling, and getting stronger. You are on the right track. Stay focused, I'll always have your back. Happy birthday, HP. God bless you, Hardik Pandya. Hashtag happy face. She captioned the Insta post, which also had the couple's photo, their first picture on social media together. As Hardik and Natasha continued to spend more time together, the couple strengthened their relationship and got closer than ever before. Soon, Hardik introduced Natasha to his family. The cricketer had already introduced Natasha as his girlfriend to his close friends and cousins during a get-together at a Bandra cafe where Krunal and his wife Pankhuri were also present. In October 2019, Hardik gave everyone a glimpse of his feelings towards Natasha by introducing her to his parents during a Diwali bash at their Mumbai residence. According to a leading portal's report, Natasha didn't just meet the Indian cricketer's parents on Diwali, but a day later also attended the birthday bash of Hardik's cousin Tanya Sharma in Juhu. On 31st December 2019, Hardik for the very first time shared a picture of himself alongside Natasha on Instagram. The couple was dressed to kill for what seemed like a glamorous New Year bash in Dubai. And the very next day, the 26-year-old squash-buckling batsman announced his engagement with the Serbian actor. Hardik shared a series of photographs alongside Natasha on Instagram with a caption that read, "मैं तेरा तू मेरी जाने सारा हिंदुस्तान." The duo was holidaying in Dubai when they exchanged the rings with each other in a speedboat as performers sang a Bollywood number in the background. Reacting to the news of his son's surprise engagement, Hardik's father, as quoted to a leading daily, said, "Natasha is a very nice girl and we have met her in Mumbai on a number of occasions. We knew that they are going on a vacation to Dubai but had no clue that they were going to get engaged. This took us by surprise. We came to know about it after they got engaged." Having surprised everyone with their engagement, Natasha became an integral part of the Pandya family. She became a prominent face in the family get-togethers and celebrations, as witnessed on social media. Quite fond of Hardik's friends circle and family, Natasha also shares a good rapport with Krunal and his wife Pankhudi, who got married in 2017. From working out to celebrating Holi together, the two couples visibly share a great chemistry. Hardik and his elder brother Krunal are really close. The duo currently is a part of Mumbai Indians setup, played cricket together at a very early age to support their family. And the fact that Hardik and Krunal share such a close bond, which makes them more than brothers, shows why they, along with their better halves, are always having a good time together. After spending all the time strengthening their relationship, Hardik and Natasha once again left everyone surprised by announcing their marriage on social media. Not only that, the Indian cricketer also broke the news of his wife's pregnancy, as the couple are now soon to be blessed with a child. Taking to Instagram, Hardik shared a series of photographs alongside Natasha, which looked like a timeline of their relationship. The first photo showed the couple posing together with Natasha's baby bump in focus. The second picture showed the couple performing a ritual in what looked like a closed-door marriage ceremony. The third picture was a throwback from their engagement post earlier this January, and the last one showed the two holding each other in their arms. Natasha and I have had a great journey together, and it is just about to get better. Together, we are excited to welcome a new life into our lives very soon. We are thrilled for this new phase of our life and seek your blessings and wishes. The Indian cricketer captioned the sweet Instagram post. In the glamorous world of celebrities, relationships are often short-lived owing to different reasons. But there's nothing more enigmatic than a sight of a young couple going from strength to strength in their relationship and growing closer as they embark on new challenges in life. Hardik and Natasha might not have been together for a long time, but their journey together through ups and downs should help others to keep their faith in love. वाकई में हर लम्हा इस कहानी का बेमिसाल रहा. हमारी शुभकामनाएं इस जोड़े के साथ पूर्ण रूप से है. उनके चिराग को देखने के लिए हम बेहद उत्सुक हैं और साथ ही बधाइयाँ देने के लिए काफ़ी उत्साहित भी. जल्दी फिर लौटेंगे किसी और प्रेमी जोड़े की लुभावनी कहानी के साथ. तब तक जुड़े रहें टेलीचक्कर के साथ. Thanks for watching this video. Whatever you think about this video, do let us know in the comment sections below.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.